Max-Q.
Max-Q is the period of maximum dynamic pressure on the vehicle that it will experience during flight, due to the forces of thrust, gravity, and atmospheric pressure.
"15 seconds. And here we go. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engine ignition and liftoff of the Falcon Heavy rocket, sending Europa Clipper on a journey to the icy world of Europa, the moon of Jupiter. The vehicle has cleared the tower. Falcon Heavy shifting its position, coming up on a minute into flight. Vehicle supersonic, approaching Max-Q, point of greatest aerodynamic pressure on the vehicle. Great work by our tracking team here today. Hear the call for Max-Q. Coming up, there will be a few different events in fairly rapid succession. The side booster engines will cut off. BECO. The side boosters will separate just a little bit after the 3-minute mark. A minute after that, the first stage main engine cut off. The remaining core booster will cease firing its engines at T plus 4 minutes and 2 seconds. Then the first and second stages will separate. Merlin vacuum engine on the Falcon Heavy second stage will ignite at T plus 4 minutes and 13 seconds. The payload fairings will be deployed at about 4.5 minutes into flight. Now coming up on the 2-minute mark. Now less than a minute to side booster engine cutoff and side booster separation. So far, a smooth ascent to the Falcon Heavy rocket, lifting off for just the 11th time for this launch vehicle. And again, there's 2 side boosters that are set to depart from the center core, making their 6th and final flight on this Europa Clipper mission. Coming up on BECO and then side booster separation.
Booster engine cutoff.
Side booster separation confirmed.
And there's a good release of the side boosters. You can see one of them falling away back to Earth. That center core continuing to burn with its 9 Merlin engines. Now 3.5 minutes into flight, we're coming up on first stage main engine cutoff with those remaining 9 Merlins. That's just a little bit after the 4-minute mark. That'll be followed seconds later by stage separation. And then the Merlin vacuum engine on the Falcon Heavy's second stage will ignite.